Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars. So let's get started. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Then in the bowl of a stand mixer, or you can use an electric hand mixer, add the butter flavored shortening, or you can use half shortening and half softened butter. And add in the brown sugar, milk, and vanilla extract, and beat them on high speed for 2 minutes. Then turn the speeds down to medium, and add in the egg. Then turn the speed up to high again and beat it for another 2 minutes. Then in a small bowl, add in the flour, baking soda, and salt, and whisk them together until they're combined. Add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients, and mix them in on low speed until they're combined. Then add in the mini chocolate chips, and fold them in until they're combined. To make the cheesecake filling, in a small bowl, add the softened cream cheese, sugar, egg, and vanilla extract, and beat them with an electric mixer for a minute on high speed. Then add in the mini chocolate chips and mix them in until they're combined. Line an 8-inch square baking pan with aluminum foil. Then grease it with non-stick cooking spray. Then press half of the cookie dough into the bottom of the pan. You can use less if you want to taste more of the cheesecake, because you won't taste much of the cheesecake filling with this amount of cookie dough. Then spread on the cheesecake filling. Then flatten some of the cookie dough between your hands and place it on top of the cheesecake filling. And keep going until it's all covered. Again, you can use less if you prefer. Then bake it in the oven for about 30 to 35 minutes, or until it turns a light golden brown color on top. After that time, it will still be really jiggly in the middle, but it will firm up as it cools. So once it's done, remove it from the oven and let it cool in the pan for about 20 minutes. Then wrap it in plastic wrap and place it into the fridge for at least 4 hours until it's firm. And that's how to make chocolate chip cookie cheesecake bars. Be sure to check out my channel, because I've got over 100 amazing recipes, and be sure to subscribe and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of my videos. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.